We can get more out of Google if we use the Google Scholar cited reference searching. Along with all the databases found in the Wilson College Library and possibly your school library, Google Scholar is an excellent option for academic articles. While many of these may be a bit on the older side, there's a special feature in Scholar that helps to make it more timely. To get there, first of all, simply search for Google Scholar in your browser. But before you jump into the search window, take a minute to click on the menu icon over on the left. Notice in the menu, you can save items to your library, but you'll first want to create an alert for your search terms. Scholar will then send you an email alert each time a new article is posted related to the subjects you've listed. So you can simply enter your alert query. Mine is for metacognition and inquiry and learning. And then you can go to Google Scholar itself and begin to search. So here for this search, I've started with metacognition and learning. And here I get my results. Now there's lots of great features of this results page. First, I can see that there are many related articles to my topic. These are great, and I want to definitely take a look at these because they could lead to a new approach, opposing perspectives, or a wealth of other sources that I might be overlooking. Also, don't forget that when you are looking at an article, you can always trace the sources through its references or bibliography page. You can also bring your research forward by using another awesome feature of Google Scholar, and that's the cited by references. These are also linked directly beneath each article. This is a huge help to researchers. When I click on the cited by, I get newer studies that have cited the original one that I was looking at. This will tell you where else the study has been used and how it was interpreted. This could give you invaluable information for your own study, and it also gives you a measure of your own interpretive skills. Are you interpreting the information the way these other scholars have? This can also help to build your confidence as a researcher. When I select one of these articles, it will then take me to the original publication info. Here, I can get the info I need for my citation, the abstract of the study, and sometimes the full text of the study. Occasionally, it will also take you out to a Google book as well. If the full text isn't there, you can then use the citation info and go back to Wilson's databases and search by the publication name to locate it. Don't forget to cite your sources in APA format. You can use your APA 6th edition book, or you can also double-check in the Purdue University Online Writing Lab for help with understanding citations. Happy searching!